Yeah, I was just in Hawaii, and I talked to you about it. Like, yeah, so I wasn't going. So the expedition company I've worked with them forever. I know Hawaii really well, so they asked me to guide these trips. So these trips are like school groups. A lot of them are private charter schools, so they have this experiential learning.
Are
So
they from Hawaii?
no, they're from all over the U.S., all over the globe. Like, correct, yeah. So they're there to learn, like some on a marine biology course, some kind of depends on the school or program. Um, but regardless, I didn't need to. It wasn't like a shooting. I wasn't getting paid to go shoot. Um, but me being a junkie that I am, I'm like, I can do underwater. I've done almost everything Hawaii. And I'm like, I'm just not going to pack it all. Like, I'm just going to bring one camera. So I brought the phase one with the 85 millimeter. It's about a 56 equivalent, 35 millimeter focal. And that was it. And it made life so much easier because I didn't have another choice.
Yeah.
I just did one lens, and I wasn't really shooting. It was just for hobby and, kind of doing that and making tripods out of ledges and all kind of stuff. So, but yeah, it really kind of having that one lens really allowed me to just like, it is what it is. I'm accepting where I'm at. And then I actually have to get a little more creative. And then you take away all the tech crap and just get back to like simple.
And is that millimeter? I don't know all that technical specs of it, but from what I do know, it's funny because the 50 millimeter for me is like, I could probably do everything with the 50.
Yep.
And I think that's because I think that's about what your eye
Yeah, I've never looked into that. I did a long time ago. Yeah, like what we see. Yeah.
somewhere between like 40
That length,
and
yeah.
50 is about. And so when you look through a 50 or a 56
Yeah,
trim close, it just feels natural. So it's easier to make composition choices and like you just can sort of see a single.
The old school nifty 50, is what they called it.
You walk around with 135, it's a little tricky. You gotta you can't really anticipate that. But I love shooting with a horn lens.
Yeah.
It's just fun. It's challenging, but you just
Well, if you have the time to do it, that's what's great, to be able to kind of get back to the basics, I guess.